Another important feature that's pretty helpful when you're using Evernote is the search feature. And basically what you can do is do your own kind of like Google searches, if you will, with the actual notes that you have. What's really cool about this is that you can use typed in text, of course, that you've put in. You could search the text from web pages that you've pulled into Evernote. What's also really nice is that you can actually search for image or text that's actually in a photograph or within a picture of maybe some handwritten text that you've taken. Now, if you have really good handwriting, it's an awesome feature. For me, it's kind of hit and miss because my handwriting's kind of bad. But what I'm going to do is show you how to do a quick search. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for Stalin because I know that I have some notes about him in my world history classes. And I can type in Stalin. If I want to, I could choose a specific notebook to look in, or I can look in all of them. So what I'll do is I'll hit search. And what's going to happen then is it's going to pull up all the things that they think says Stalin in it. And I can just go through and know already which places might be useful, which ones may not be. So if I click on, say, for instance, this Cold War complete series, I should probably expect to see something about Stalin in there. And let's see what pops up. The word Stalin and the photograph of the DVD jacket, it found it. Okay. I did a walk around planning. This is a handwritten note. And it found the word Stalin in a handwritten note that I had. It's blocked out. If I scroll on down, maybe I had some stuff about chapter 20 notes. That sounds about right from my textbook. I should expect to see some stuff about Stalin in there. And if I scroll on down, I'll see that word pop up, hopefully, right there. So that's good. There's some other places where it says it's going to be in, but I really don't believe it. One example would be, for instance, my organized paint. And I really hope I don't have Stalin paint in my storage. So if I click on here, let's see what they thought it was. Where is it? I don't see it at all. So just notice that maybe would come up. If you have bad handwriting, it gets confused. There's going to be some ones that are irrelevant, but if I look at my titles of my notes, I should probably know where to expect to find it, and that's a pretty useful tip. What I think is really good for a classroom setting is that maybe students are taking notes and they have a bunch of documents, pictures of it, or you can at least have a good searchable database of things that are both handwritten and photographed and brought in from electronic